This is the first moment a buyer actually touches the brand. Before they use anything, before they decide how they feel, what they bought, this moment shapes everything. I want to talk about packaging. Not as a marketing tool, but as an experience. Packaging is the handshake, it's the tone of voice, it's the first confirmation that someone made the right decision, right? Long before someone evaluates the product itself, their nervous system is already deciding whether they trust you. That decision happens here. When I think about packaging, I'm not thinking about how it photographs. I'm thinking about the person opening it. Where are they when this arrives, right? Are they tired, excited, nervous about whether or not they chose the right thing? I want this experience to calm them. I want it to feel clear, considered, reassuring, right? Like the brand saying, you're in good hands. I think about packaging in layers. Each layer has a job. The outer layer is protection. It needs to arrive intact, clean, uncompromised. The inner layers are about pacing. They slow the experience down. You don't immediately see everything at once. That's intentional. Luxury doesn't rush you. Each step tells the buyer this was assembled with care, and care is felt. I think a lot of brands underestimate how much trust is built in moments like this. People remember how something made them feel long after they forget the details. If packaging feels careless, the product has to work twice as hard. But if the experience feels thoughtful from the start, the buyer relaxes. They feel supported. They're open to the relationship. I don't want someone opening the packaging for Boujee Bunny Boutique and wondering if they made the right choice. I want them to know they did. Some people will call this extra. I call it foundational. Because when you care about the buyer's experience, you don't need to convince them to come back. They want to. This isn't about impressing anyone. It's about respect. Respect for the buyer, respect for the craft, respect for the relationship. The house is almost ready to receive.